That shit has me so burnt, bruh. Shitty ass fucking whip, shitty ass fucking aftermarket shit.
Disclaimer, any jokes you hear in this video is not to be taken serious. Anything to be considered harmful is AI generated and is done in a professional environment.
That shit has me so burnt, bruh. Shitty ass fucking whip, shitty ass fucking aftermarket shit. Oh my god, bro, if you launched it off that RP.
Oh my god, bro. Let's get it fucking.
My nigga.
Holy Jesus. I smell butterflies in my shit.
You're going at 5,000?
Signal, bro. That nigga stupid just felt smart.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh fuck. That's the first time I've ever been this bitch and it spun off launch.
But nigga back there, I don't know what the fuck was happening. That shit did it by itself. Look how we could literally rip this bitch like. Holy Jesus!
This got fucking power fucking. Yeah, manual was a way different thing. Now I see why I was dogging that shit like that. That sign scared the fuck out of me. Holy shit! Bro,
I'm telling you,
fucking
in manual
upshifted
in
pop.
gears, look at your first gear, nigga. Fine.
What the fuck?
Watch, nigga, look how fast I can bang gears in this bitch. Ready?
Nigga's gonna get hit fourth in this bitch by the fucking.
Alright YouTube, what's good, bro? If y'all made it to the end of this video and you guys are wondering why I did not complete the install on the Lexus, it is because of Lexus ACC. They are okay brand. I can say now that they've sent me something messed up, which should most likely be sent easily and not be messed up, but they did send me 2 passenger mirror turn signals instead of 1 driver and 1 passenger, so I decided to just chalk the install and put everything back together, and I'll get the turn signals fixed, and next time we will get it all done, hopefully. But like I said, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you turn on those post notifications because there will be more videos to come. Make sure you're subscribed. Comment down below any suggestions you have, because this is my first actual YouTube video for car wise, I guess you can say, because if you guys aren't familiar, I do have a gaming channel. I post all the games that I game on. I stream games, all that. But car wise, I am active more on Instagram. I do post a lot of shorts on Instagram and TikTok. But I will be also posting shorts here soon, shortly. So be on the lookout for that. And besides that, like I said, it's been another video. In the next one, hopefully we get a real intro and a real outro. And yeah, I'm out this bitch.